Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about what is Zeeman effect and what is importance of Zeeman effect in quantum mechanics. In Bohr model, there were some drawback of Niels Bohr model that model was not able to explain why the spectrum lines of hydrogen atoms are further splits in groups of lines when applied a magnetic or an electric field along spectrum. But when Simmons detected that whenever we use a magnetic field in hydrogen spectrum, then each line is further split more than one line. This is called Zeeman effect. Here an example of a Zeeman effect. We can say we can see that here very easy way that it is orbital number L equal to 1 and this is an orbital number L equal to 2. When there is a interaction between electrons with spin s equal to half and angular momentum quantum number L equal to minus L2 plus L, this number, then after their interactions we have value of J, that is the total quantum number. So here we can see that this is the value L equal to 1. Then according to Zeeman effect, the number of splitting energy levels due to any interaction of magnetic field and value and magnitude of magnetic field must be stronger. Then there are 2L plus sorry, yeah, there are 2L plus 1 configurations or number of splitting level are available. Here we can see that for L equal to 1, each line is split in 3 energy level. The lowest is L equal to minus 1, J equal to 0 and J equal to plus 1. The mean of that J equal to always L plus minus S. By this coupling configuration we can find out the value of total quantum number J. On the other hand, the upper energy level, which was for L equal to 2, here we can see that the total number of split 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 5. Then this energy level is splitted in 5 new energy levels, and this is called Zeeman effect. Let me delete this all configurations. Okay, yeah. Now when in hydrogen spectrum, I will split in two part. When we never applied a magnetic field, this is our N, this is our S pole of magnet, and here is our experimental setup which will produce a spectra of any atoms or molecules. When there is no magnetic field is applied, in this case there is only one energy level is available, so there is also a one photon of new frequency is emitted. But when a magnetic field is applied on spectrum, then due to this magnetic field interaction with spin of electrons and its orbital angular momentum with L and S, there are causes that each energy level is splitted further 2j plus 1 configurations. Here we can say that this energy level is split into 5 energy level. The lowest has minimum value, which is, we will say that its value is minus 2, because there are 2L plus 1 configurations. 2L plus 1 configuration are available. Then the value starts from 0 to both side, which has equal value. Here we can see that minus 1 0 plus 1, as you know in earlier classes, and here minus 2 0 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2, value of total angular momentum. By applying selection rule, we can find out all the possibility of photons which are produced in spectrum, or we can say that we will have spectrum line. Here we can say that by applying selection rules tells us that only a energy levels from one to another available or allowed for them which follow these rules. The value of delta J equal to J2 minus J1 equal to 0 or plus minus 1. Mean of that, if any total angular momentum value of any energy level is 2, then it can jump to 3 or 1, because 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and by applying the 0 it can emit a photons. There are 3 configurations available for this energy level. If any has a J value equal to let me do it again. Yeah, J of value of J equal to 1, then this value equal to 2, 1 and 0. These energy level are available for magnetic transactions, or we can say that as a result of Zeeman effect. So here we can say that these spectrum lines very clearly, for we are interested to this energy lowest energy level when any higher energy levels of L equal to 2 belongs, when it electron transits from upper level to lower level, then by applying selection rules, here the value of mg equal to minus 1. This means that only transactions are allowed from j equal to 0, j equal to minus 2. So we can see that here this is energy level equal j equal minus 2. There is a transaction between electrons, and for j equal to 0, here we can say that it comes to same level. On other hand, j minus 1, j plus 1, then we can say that here this is also 3 transactions. We can say that each line most probability can 3 transactions. As a result of this, we can say that without applying magnetic field, there were only single line in spectrum. But when we apply the magnetic field, this single line it splits in 9 number of lines. This is called Zeeman effect. Whenever, in this case, we never used any magnetic fields. There was no any interactions of electron spins and magnetic fields. So see, we have only single lines. But when we apply the magnetic fields, then its line splits according to selection rules, and number of lines which are equal to, in this example, is 9 lines. This example will be more clear when we use this diagram. This is a much pretty diagram. We can see way that here we can see that this is the line of spectrums without any magnetic field in section A. But when we apply the magnetic field, we can see that each section's lines is splits Initial these two lines are not very clearly to see. Now we can see that clearly that this line is splits in one part and two part. This line is splits in again two parts. Each line is splits in two lines. Mean of this that when we applied in magnetic field here in these sections no magnetic field, but here B not equal to 0. There is a strong magnetic field is applied when each line is splits. This is called Zeeman effect. On the other hand, here we can see that each line is splits, but more than two lines. Here we can see that it is not very sharp and bright, but we can see that this line is splits in three lines, 1, 2 and 3. Here also there are number of lines. Here we can see that three lines. Then is called anomalous Zeeman effect. Anomalous effect is produced when our magnetic field is not too much strong. In this case, we applied more strong magnetic field than is called Zeeman effect, and but when we applied magnetic field is not too much strong, or we can say that weak magnetic field. In this case, anomalous Zeeman effect is produced. Thank you. In next time, we will discuss about what is our electric field when we applied and what is the Stokes effect.